Welcome to Akahi Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji. Today, I want us to travel to Ogun State, precisely Federal Polytechnic Ilaro, and this is their post-UTME EGA question. Question 1. The church knew that the speaker would deserve a large blank, so the preachers did their best to persuade their blank to go and listen to him. We have two space here, or two questions in this I close passage, or we can call this register. This a very brief or very short register or I close passage that is said by the management of Federal Polytechnic Ilaro. Now, these two questions, what are we supposed to choose in this first, or number 1 and number 2? So we have the church knew. What did they know? That the speaker, underline the word speaker. The speaker addressed the audience, not the congregation. Why the preachers, like the pastor, the imam, the priest, that is the reverend father, address their congregation. So let's go. The church knew that the speaker would deserve a large what? Okay, let's go for large audience. Would deserve a large audience. So the preachers did their best to persuade or convince their congregation to go and listen to him. So question 2. Question 1, the correct answer is option B. Why question 2? The space 2, the correct answer is congregation, which is option D. Question 3 is also based on I close passage, a very short I close passage or register. The question read, last night many television blank saw a massive workers blank. Last night many television, okay, many television. As you are viewing me now, you are a viewer and you are also a listener. You are listening to me, okay? You are viewing me. So in television, vision, from the word vision, you view, okay? Why telephone, sound, you bring far sound closer, you bring far image to your screen, okay? So you are viewers. Last night many television viewers saw a massive workers, okay, workers are round, okay, so they saw them on television, okay, the viewers saw them. Who did they saw? Workers rallying. So question 3, the correct answer is option C. While question 4, the correct answer is rally. Question 5. She blank have accepted the offer with gratitude. She blank have accepted the offer with gratitude if her application had been granted. This question requires our understanding of modal auxiliary verb. Modal auxiliary verb. Okay, so the space here, what are we going to choose? Before I come to this, I want to remind you that this tutorial is sponsored by Akahi Tutors, Ile-ife. And Akahi Tutors is preparing students currently for post-UTME, pre-degree, School of Nursing, and JUPEP entrance exams, as well as GC, whether WAEC or NECO. So should you are interested and you are not within the confine of Ife, Akahi Tutors also provide decent hostel accommodation for students who are outside Ife at a bearable cost. So what are you expected to do? You are expected to call 08038644328. This is also Akahi Tutors management WhatsApp line, so you can contact the management of Akahi Tutors on this number. Thank you. Let's go to this question 5, or let me leave this question 5 for you to solve. And to keep the communication going, I will hear from you in the comment section what you think the answer of this question will be. Thank you. My name is Joseph Iyaji from Akahi Tutors. Have a great day.